Rainforests are far more than just lush green landscapes, they are the vibrant, beating heart of our planet's biodiversity and a critical regulator of its climate. These incredibly rich ecosystems thrive in regions blessed with abundant rainfall, and are defined by their consistently warm climate and a towering, multi-layered canopy of vegetation. While the colossal tropical rainforests of the Amazon, Congo Basin, and Southeast Asia often dominate headlines, equally vital temperate rainforests, found in places like the Pacific Northwest of the US and southern Chile, play an indispensable role in global ecological health. Though they cover a mere 6% of Earth's surface, rainforests are astonishingly home to over half of the world's plant and animal species. From the majestic jaguars and colorful toucans to potent medicinal plants and unseen microscopic fungi, rainforests nurture an intricate web of life that is both vast and delicately balanced. World Rainforest Day, observed annually on June 22, serves as a powerful global reminder that these vital forests are in dire crisis. It's a day that underscores a fundamental truth: protecting rainforests isn't just an environmental cause, it's absolutely essential for securing the future of all life on Earth. This crucial day was established in 2017 by the Rainforest Partnership, an organization deeply committed to safeguarding and regenerating tropical rainforests. Their mission is clear: to work directly with indigenous and local communities, empowering them to foster sustainable livelihoods and cultivate global awareness around conservation. World Rainforest Day was born from a desire to spotlight the urgent necessity of rainforest preservation, amplify the voices of those tirelessly protecting these lands on the ground, and ignite action from individuals, governments, and businesses across the globe. Rainforests are nothing short of natural wonders, but their significance extends far beyond their beauty. These ecosystems are foundational to our planet's survival. They stabilize the climate, regulate rainfall patterns, sequester enormous amounts of carbon, and sustain the majority of the world's terrestrial biodiversity. Their importance cannot be overstated.
Rainforests are colossal carbon sinks, absorbing vast quantities of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The Amazon alone holds over 100 billion metric tons of carbon, acting as a vital buffer against the escalating impacts of the changing climate. Often affectionately dubbed the lungs of the planet, rainforests generate approximately 20% of Earth's oxygen, a breath of life crucial for every living creature. They are linchpins in the global water cycle, releasing moisture into the air that fuels rainfall across entire continents. This intricate process helps sustain agriculture and provides drinking water far beyond their immediate boundaries. As unparalleled bastions of biodiversity, rainforests are home to more than half of all known plant and animal species, many of which are endemic and found nowhere else on Earth, a living library of genetic information. Roughly 25% of modern medicines owe their origins to rainforest plants. Scientists believe we've only just begun to uncover their immense pharmaceutical potential, making their preservation a critical endeavor for future medical breakthroughs. Millions of indigenous people depend on rainforests for their very existence, for food, shelter, and the continuation of their ancient cultural traditions. These communities are often the most effective and dedicated stewards of rainforest lands, possessing invaluable traditional ecological knowledge. Despite their immeasurable value, rainforests are under relentless and escalating assault due to human activities. The primary culprits behind this destruction include deforestation for agriculture, illegal and unsustainable logging, mining operations, infrastructure projects, and changing climate. This exacerbates the vulnerability of rainforests, bringing prolonged droughts, rising temperatures, and an increased frequency of devastating wildfires.
World Rainforest Day is a profound wake-up call. Rainforests are not infinite resources, and their loss is, in many cases, irreversible. Yet, there is still hope, and crucially, there is still time to act. Protecting them isn't merely about preserving breathtaking beauty or safeguarding diverse species, it is fundamentally about ensuring a livable planet for current and future generations.